Okay, this is the phone. I'm coming to replace the battery. Okay, the first thing you have to do, you have to take out the two screws down here. Okay, after you take out the two screws there, if you have a heater, you just hit the surrounding here. If you have the heater, you try to open it with a rubber. Don't force to open it, don't break the screen. You just hit it a bit at the edge so that the glue become a bit weak. Okay, if your phone never opened before, but if your phone opened before, it's easy for you to open. Okay, hit it a bit so that the glue become weak. Okay, after you hit it, if you have a machine like this, you can use it also. If you don't have the machine, you can just manage, try to open it slowly so you don't spoil anything. This one help to open the screen. Just pull it. Okay, after you pull it like that, you can use something like a rubber. You just put inside here so you can open the screen. Open the screen right on. Okay, then you take out the screws. You take out all the screws here, 5 screws. Make sure when you remove the screw, put them different places so it will be easy for you to know how to put them back. Just put them exactly how you take it from the phone. Take out this panel, disconnect the battery, disconnect the LCD also, remove the LCD so it will be easy for you to fix the battery. Put the LCD one side. Okay, sometimes the battery comes with a rubber here. You need to just pull the rubber, but if your home don't come with it, just try to use the pencil. Sometimes it's not too sharp. Don't use knife to open it. You can use rubber also. You just lace it up like this. Take out the battery. Okay, now you need to fix the new one. Okay, take out this plastic down here. Okay, and you fix the battery terminal first so you don't lose the position of the battery. Make sure you fix the battery terminal first like this. Then you put the battery very straight. Don't bend it. Put it very straight like this. Make sure you rest properly. Squeeze it properly so the glue will rest. Okay, after it rests very nice like this, then disconnect the battery again. Remove the terminal and remove this plastic so the battery will not become overheat. Okay, now you fix back the LCD. Make sure you get the right position before you press it in. Don't force to press it inside. Make sure you fix it very nice. Okay, fix back the speaker. Okay, after I fix all the cable very nice, then I fix the battery again. Fix back this panel. You place back all the screw you take out. Make sure you place all the screw. Okay, don't leave any screw. Okay, then you fix back the LCD. Make sure you start to fix from the top here. Okay, then you fix it down. replace back the two screws. Okay, after you fix the battery, now you put the phone on charge for full charge before you use the phone. Okay, just put it on charge and make sure the phone is charged full because it's new battery. Okay, when you show full charge, then you can use the phone that time so that the battery will not get spoiled. Okay, now the phone is on, the battery is good, that means it's okay.
Hello guys, if you like my video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel.